Hello everyone, my name is Akshay. Today I will discuss with you on the topic of documents essential during the clinical trials. So during the clinical trials, several essential documents are required to ensure proper planning, conduct and documentation of the trial. Some of these documents include protocol, then informed consent form, case report form, investigational brochure, then clinical study agreement, ethics committee review board approval, and many more. So we will discuss one by one. So protocol, the objectives. This outlines the objectives, design, methodology, and statistical considerations of the trial. Then informed consent form. This form is provided to participants explaining the study purpose, procedures, risks, and benefits. Then case report form, a standardized document for collecting data during the trial, including information on each participant's medical history, adverse event, and treatment outcomes. Then investigator's brochure contains detailed information about the investigational product. Then clinical study agreement, a contract between the sponsor and the investigator's institution specifying responsibilities, funding, and other aspects of the trial. Then ethics committee or institutional review board approval, documentation of approval from an independent ethics committee or IRB, ensuring that the trial is conducted ethically and in accordance with regulations. Then regulatory approvals, depending on the country, regulatory authority approval may be required from health authorities like FDA from US, then EMA from Europe, and others. Safety reporting plan outlines how adverse event and serious adverse events will be collected, assessed, and reported during the trial. Then data safety monitoring board. This is applicable to the documents outlining the DSMB roles in monitoring safety and efficacy data during the trial. Then clinical trial agreement, a contract between the sponsor and the clinical trial site specifying responsibilities, compensation, and other terms. Then standard operating procedures, detailed instructions for conducting various aspects of the trial, ensuring consistency and compliance with regulations. Patient information sheet, a simple document for participants summarizing key aspects of the trial in planning language. Then randomization and blinding procedures, if applicable, documents outlining how randomization and blinding will be implemented. These documents are critical for ensuring the ethical conduct of clinical trials. This collection of accurate data and compliance with regulatory requirements. Additionally, the specific documentation requirements may vary depending on the type of the trial and regulatory environment in which it is conducted. Thank you.